Hello again. In this video I am going to illustrate the installation and the commissioning of SIAE E-Band node ALFO80HD node. I will illustrate the installation of the RAW and how we can configure the link. There are two types of this RAW. First type is RAW with optical ports for traffic, and the other type is electrical RAW with electrical ports for traffic. This RAW has 4 ports. Power supply port, which feed the RAW with the node volt DC, 2 ports for traffic LAN 1 and LAN 2, 1 port for management, and this port is responsible for local login and manage the node to the operator network. EUX port, which is no use for this port in the field. This picture shows us the pin assignment for the management cable. This image is very important to review the pin assignment when any problem affects the management cable. The management cable has RJ45 from indoor side and M12 connector. This is connected from RAW side. This picture shows a pin assignment for traffic cable, whether connected to LAN 1 or LAN 2. It's RJ from both sides, when the RAW is electrical and support Ethernet cable. But in the case of fiber cable, the installed RAW should be fiber, and we will use optical SFP module in LAN 1 and LAN 2. After finishing the hardware installation, we are going to configure the RAW. First, we will change the IP address of the laptop to be in the same subnet as the RAW, and these RAWs comes with default subnets as shown in the screen. So we will change our laptop address to be in the same subnet to login and access the RAW. Then we will open any browser and write the IP address of the RAW with username admin and password is admin. Now we are logged in to the RAW and ready to apply the configuration requested from the SF6 and planning team. First, we will apply bandwidth and modulation for this RAW. Then we will adjust frequency. Also, we will adjust TX power. Then we will choose whether the link will be configured as a tunnel or we will create VLANs. So we will choose the type of bridge mode, and after apply, link will restart. After restart, we will log in again Now we will open the traffic ports. Adjust MTU for all ports. But before this, we should make all ports disabled before applying the new MTU values. Admin status to be enabled for radio and LAN 1. Now it's time to create two tunnels, one for LAN 1 with VLAN 101 and another VLAN 102 for LAN 2. Final step is from port setting, BVID to be 101 in front of LAN 1 and 102 in front of LAN 2. Now link is ready to carry traffic, but remains adding IP address to manage the link, and it's so easy. Then, after restart, we will log in again to the node, but with the new IP address. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments and I will answer you shortly. Thank you.